Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the Bella 4QT Slim Air Fryer in oat milk, and if you want a compact yet powerful way to cook healthier meals at home, this is a great option to consider. Right away, the slim, space-saving design is ideal for kitchens with limited counter space, yet it still offers a generous 4-quart capacity, letting you cook up to about 3.3 pounds of food in one go. Whether it's fries, chicken wings, veggies, or snacks, you'll get plenty of room for family meals or weekly prep. One of the best features here is the EverGood ceramic nonstick coating. It's PTFE/PFOA-free, easier to clean, and helps prevent food from sticking, even when you're cooking delicate items like fish or baked goods. That means less scrubbing and more convenience after cooking. You also get adjustable temperature control plus 6 preset cooking options, so you can easily switch between frying, baking, roasting, or reheating with just a turn of the dial, no guesswork involved. From crispy snacks to juicy chicken, it handles it all. The 60-minute auto shutoff with audible tone adds safety and peace of mind, especially if you're multitasking in the kitchen. You'll always know when your food is ready. With an easy-to-use dial panel and a lightweight feel, this air fryer is beginner-friendly but powerful enough for daily use. Overall, if you want a stylish, efficient, and easy-to-clean air fryer that fits in compact kitchens and cooks a variety of foods fast and healthier, the Bella 4QT Slim Air Fryer is definitely worth considering. Click the link below for the best price.